Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey y'all, I am going to be going over this desk lamp that I received from a company called Toolour. It's Toollour. And I want to thank them so much for sending me this upgraded long desk lamp, which can be used for your home office. I'm going to be placing this into my craft room. Um, for those of you that have followed me for a while, I bought a new computer desk last year when I moved into my new place and had a room which was actually it's supposed to be a game room, but it was perfect for me to set up my crafting room. And so one of the issues that I've had with my computer desk is there's no lighting on it. So I bought a desk that didn't have any lighting. So I had multiple lamps trying to get the right, lighting from time to time. And so what this is going to do is it's going to allow me to get rid of those lamps, which I've moved them out all out of here now, and to replace those multiple lamps with this desk lamp. Okay, so I'm going to show you what came in the packet. So first of all, and let me get my glasses, y'all, because y'all know I can't see, right? And I don't want to be calling it this thing because I will say this thing right here. All right, so in our particular box, guys, you're going to get the base. This is the metal base, and this thing is heavy. Like it's really heavy. You guys can see how thick it is. And then it has this area here that this has like a fabric on it that allows it not to move, easily. So when I put it down on my desk, I don't have to worry about it moving. I'm going to show you guys here in just a second, but it keeps it sturdy and in place. Okay. So that's the purpose of this bottom here. And then you have the little connector here for the arm of your lamp if you want to just install it with the metal base. I'm not going to be using this because this is just going to take up space, and that's what I'm trying to get rid of. Okay. So I'm going to be putting this back in the box. Ooh, y'all heard that? All right. Then you have the actual folding desk lamp, which is here. And you can see how long it is. I love it. I love it because my desk is long and my desk can go either straight or I can put it in an L shape, but I can rearrange my desk so you guys can see I'm moving it now. I can move my desk around. Okay. So this is going to be perfect. I'm going to secure it to the end of my desk. So along with the desk lamp, you're going to get your metal clamp. So this is what I'm going to be using because it's going to allow me to be able to put this onto my desk like this, or actually like this, to secure the lamp to my actual desk. And then we have this part right here along with the little screws that we're going to connect it. Going to place it on here, and then this will allow us to be able to I still got my scissors over here, and I don't. So I'm just gonna put a little hole right there and open this up and show you that this is going to be um, where if you don't want to use that metal base, you can actually use this, and you can put this on either here on the top so that when if you clamp this on this way, then you'll be able to put the neck in there. Or if you put it on this way, then you'll be able to put so if I connect mine like this, which I'm going to do, then I'll be able to put this on to where I'll be able to slide the neck, or the arm, I don't know what they call this right into that, like that. All right. So this is the most space that I'm going to be taking up on my desk, is this right here. I can't get it off. This thing is so heavy compared to this. All right, so you determine which size is going to work better for you. And for me, I need less. All right, but where I can still have the same outcome, which is, it's going to hold my stand in place and keep it sturdy. Okay, so we're going to, again, y'all heard that thump? that's that's that is the metal base. All right. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this connected. So it has your um little Allen wrench, and then it has your little screws that you're going to need, your 4 screws. Uh y'all know I'm not good with little pieces, so I'm going to hopefully not lose anything. So we got this part, we got our Allen wrench and our screws, and then we also have our remote control. So with your actual lighting, it says here it has the sensitive button switch, which is on this. All right. And then you can control the brightness. You can switch the light color. You have a 30-minute timer. You also have a switch light bar, and then you have your turn on and turn off, which is your plus or little button down here, plus or minus for the brightness. Okay, so then you have how to operate your remote control. You've done that before, guys, so that's going to be pretty standard. But you have a night mode, a sunlight mode, and then you have a reading mode. And let's see, you can switch the light colors, I've already said. So that's pretty much it. That's what comes in the packet. And then, of course, your connection, we're going to be connecting this for our power source. All right. So let me put this down for a second. All right. And I'm going to get this undid. But this is going to be perfect for me, guys, because that's one of the things I've struggled with, is having the proper lighting for me over here in my computer room without using the big light. So I'll show you guys how bright it is in here with and without the main light. So we're going to be putting that back that direction, because that's where my power source is, over there. And then we're going to be connecting these two together. Let's see if it just pops in there like that. All right. So I'm going to get this part connected to the edge of my desk, and then I'm going to show you guys what it's going to look like. All right. So give me a minute and I'll be back. All right, guys. So remember I said I'm going to connect this where this part right here fits into my computer base table. So this part is going to go in here like that, and then you're just going to take and tighten this up. I've already put my screws in. And that took all of maybe 2 minutes for me to get those in. You just line it up, put your screws in, and then use your Allen wrench to screw it in. All right, so once you get that part done, you're then going to take it and put it wherever you want it on your desk. Of course, I'm not going to put it here. I'm going to have mine more along the edge of my desk, on my left side over here, so that my light comes across, that way. So I'm going to go ahead and get this connected, and all I'm going to do is connect this part into the computer desk and then start to screw this up until it closes up and tightens. And you guys can see that this part is super solid now that it's connected to that. All right. So All right, guys, you can see how I now have my lamp connected to my desk. It's very sturdy, so it's not moving around or anything, and it's taking up very little space. So there we have it. And I actually have it where I can get to the controls here very easily. So we're going to go ahead and power the lamp on. Look how bright. Oh my God. And so we can control the brightness here. So I'm turning the lamp down. All right. So we're going to see if our remote works, and then we're going to go from there. All right. All right, guys. So let's take a look at our remote control here. So I have the ceiling lights turned off in my craft room, and that's what it would look like with all the lights off in my craft room. So now we're going to power it on with the remote. So we're going to now go with the reading mode. Okay, that's reading mode. This is night mode. And then this is sunlight. All right. You can also change which lamp is actually on. So you can see there I've turned off the left lamp. Now I have on the right lamp, or you can have them both on. So that's your lamps up there. So left, right, both. And then you can change the lighting with the plus or minus. So I'm decreasing the light there. And then you also have the actual colors you can change as well. And then you have a 30 and a 60-minute timer. All right, so that is it. You can also, guys, change up this right here. You can actually rotate it. So if you don't want the light facing you, but still on, you can do that. You can have, one light going up and one light coming towards you. Like that. All right, so if you don't want it directly in your face, you can control that. You can shift it up like that, so you can bring it down and move it that way, just however you like. So I absolutely, absolutely love this lamp. Highly, highly, highly recommend. All right, highly recommend, and it gives me full coverage for my entire workstation or computer desk, which is what I love. All right, so since I'm not crafting right now, I'm gonna go ahead and place it on the night mode here. So let's power off, power on. Got it on our night mode, and we can make it a little bit dimmer if so. All right, so that's it, guys. If you have any questions, chime in the comments. But that is it in a nutshell for our 2-lamp upgraded light here. And if you're currently in my Facebook group, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for following me via Facebook. And if you would like to join my Facebook group, it is linked in the description of this video tutorial. All you have to do is click on that link and agree to the Facebook group rules, and we'll get you in. And then if you're currently subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to thank you guys so much for the support that you show via YouTube. And if you like my method of teaching, you're seeing me for the first time, then please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. And again, thank you so much for Toolour for this collaboration. And I absolutely highly recommend the lamp, and I absolutely love it. All right. You guys know my motto is each one reach one so that each one can teach one. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye.